All right, welcome back to Working Yard with Will. Product review. Let me tell you, folks, I've had my older tractor prior to this one, which was a Husqvarna lawn tractor, 54-inch, and it did great, did wonders for me until it didn't. As you guys see me do a little work around it, trying to keep it going. I'm still going to use it. I'm just going to use it for pulling and hauling stuff. Decided to go ahead and upgrade. Found myself a Scag product. This is a Patriot 61-inch Scag, and I'm still getting used to a zero-turn mower. I've always used a traditional lawn tractor, so I'm going to try it out for a little bit. The mower I have is Briggs & Stratton CX2700. So this one is pretty much top of the line, top shelf, if you will, as far as the Patriot is concerned. Prosumer, commercial, right below a commercial product here. Although you also can use this as a commercial product. I'm using this for residential use for right now. And I'm gonna get out here and try to cut around the chipping green and the fairway with it and see how I do. Still learning it, like I said. So if you see me making some squiggly lines and everything, stay tuned for that. So throughout the year, I'm going to give you guys some updates. Before the end of my mowing season, I may get 50 hours on it. Maybe not, we'll see. But there's a lot of little checks and balances along the way. So stay tuned. Working Yard with Will, working out with this new Scag Patriot 61-inch zero-turn mower.